Okay, it's Saturday, the 6th of January, about noontime here. Um, the page www.poconoweather360.com is now open for free for the next 24 hours. You can follow the weather there. You can see the road conditions there, and you can see what's going on if you need to and see what that web page is all about. I suggest you go there, look at everything, try everything, and see what it's like. It'll close down tomorrow at noon. Right now, snow's broken out down here in southern Pennsylvania. A little bit here, very light, but it's coming down. It's sticking too. And We'll go through this radar pretty quick. Again, when I said last week that the storm would be like a storm, then it would go by, and then we'd have the wraparound effect, and then it would bring down snow in eastern Pennsylvania again on Sunday. It looks like that is part of the program right now that might happen. We'll move this ahead. This is around 3 this afternoon. You can see how it's moved up into Pennsylvania. All but the extreme northeastern PA has already started to get some snow, and then extreme northeastern New Jersey hasn't got any snow. Some heavier snow down here. There's some sleet mixed in, freezing rain through here, and then you'll see it kind of moves up and it kind of gets to a point around this is around 7 o'clock this evening. You can see there are some areas where it is mixed in with freezing rain and sleet, and down here it's rain to the south, but to the north, just above this, it's pretty decent snow's coming down. You can see Wyoming Valley gets a little bit of this mixed precipitation through here. The southern areas down here around 9 o'clock tonight are getting rain, some moderate rain down to the south here. And then you can see it, the heavier snows are up this way through the Poconos. And then the Wyoming Valley area, again, you have some mixed precipitation. That's why I think it doesn't snow 6 to 12 inches like I've seen on some sites. And then this takes you to around 1 o'clock in the morning, and then you're going to see the wraparound effect. It'll mix in up here, and then the cold air will work its way in. And this takes you tomorrow morning. This is around 9 o'clock in the morning. You got a little bit of backlash snow coming in, especially in northern New Jersey. The closer you go east, the more you get snow there. And then it'll wrap around. You're still snowing around noon and lightly, and then it kind of starts to move away. And then you had these streamers that are coming across as squalls off the lakes. This is around 8 o'clock in the evening, and then you see it goes away. How much snow? Okay, we'll take this area by area. Hopefully my little tool works here. Okay, now this is northeastern Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey. You can see very heavy snow in northwestern New Jersey, northern New Jersey, at least 8 inches up to close to a foot. This 15 inches up here is the normal area that everybody gets hit. Mount Pocono, Goldsboro, up that way. They get hit pretty hard because I don't think there's much of a change over there. Again, if you live like in Stroudsburg, not quite as much, but still a decent amount of snow, 6, 7, 8 inches of snow. The Wyoming Valley, you can see here, the lower Wyoming Valley probably gets 3 to 5 inches, and then the outskirts, as you go up, gets a little bit more until you get up into, say, mountaintop and things like that, and then you get 6 to 10 inches there. To the west of the Wyoming Valley, again, 6 to 10 inches up in that area. Let's see here, we kind of lost control here. Down in southern PA, let's see if we can get this to zoom in. You can see Jersey, you're out of luck with this one. Philadelphia, I thought you'd get your first inch. Might hold out. Still, some of the models say you do get your inch, but currently, right now, it doesn't look like you do. The suburbs to the north get an inch to 3 inches. As you look up into Reading here, it looks like 3 to 5, maybe a little bit more in some spots. The city itself, I think, gets about 3 inches before the changeover. Allentown up here, it's showing 6, 7, 8 inches. Depends on the turnover. Again, temperatures 1 to 2 degrees. That's why it's been hard for a lot of these models to catch on, because a degree or two takes it from, if it's a degree colder or so, it's 6 to 10 inches. A degree or two warmer, 3 to 5 inches. So it's pretty hard for anybody to pin it down, and it's still, depends on the weather, what the temperature does. Central PA, basically 6 to 8 inches out here, is what's going on. And then as you go to the west, out towards Pittsburgh, um, see if we can zoom in. Again, 1 to 3 inches out this way. For you, sleet wise, some areas get some sleet, and let's see if we can make that happen. Yeah, here you go. This is sleet. So what happens is it snows, and then as it makes the changeover, you have a period of sleet that comes down. Again, this area through here, which is like Berks County and through here, it usually sleets for a long period of time before the changeover. So again, it's showing some sleet up here. Again, north of Scranton up this way, some heavy sleet, and then freezing rain wise. Um, you just got a little bit out here in western Pennsylvania and maybe a little bit up here, which is tomorrow, before it changes back over to snow again up there. So that's kind of where we sit with the snow. And again, these totals that you're looking at are 10-to-1 ratios. I think the snow might be a little wetter in some spots, so that brings it down a little bit. Kuchera usually shows that, but it's pretty close to this. Anything you see here is going to happen. So that's your totals. That's your final call. Again, you can go to www.poconoweather360.com and you can see some updates there that won't be on here, and a lot more information, road conditions and things like that. It's free today to tomorrow till 12 o'clock. So check it out. You'll see you get a lot more than you get on here. All right, take it easy, be safe out there, and drive safely if you have to go out on the roads.